Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Realme X versus a Samsung Galaxy M51 device. The Realme X is a 1-year-old mobile phone which has the AMOLED panel, and whereas the Samsung's Galaxy M51 is the latest smartphone which has a Super AMOLED Plus display. So let's see friends, how is the AMOLED panel compares with the Samsung's Super AMOLED Plus display. So right now I'll be trying to play the same video in both the phones, and first let me try to show you the settings what is available in the display. And if you want to know more details about both the smartphones, you can check the links in description as well for more details. So in the Samsung Galaxy you get this kind of option of vivid mode as well. So whereas in the Realme X you only get option of selecting the colors, so default, warm and cool, and next is a OSIE vision effect. I did turn on, so some of the applications which are actually supported will work, others doesn't work. Only few apps that will be working with this kind of usage. And right now let me try to show you the display properties of both the smartphones. So it is the display screen size 6.67 inches versus a 6.53 inches. As you can clearly see, friends, the display size how much it is. So it's not that much big difference, it's a little bit difference only, but not much. So even though the Samsung has a 6.7 inches, it did a very good job in terms of having the very small bezels, bottom and the top one, so which made the phone looks pretty small as well. And next, in terms of the resolution and pixel density, you can see the Realme X has 394 ppi, that is a 1 pixel more, just because of the small screen factor. And surprisingly one thing is that the Realme X has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, whereas the Samsung Galaxy, which is the latest smartphone, which still has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So I'm not sure why they are doing this like this, even though the phone is priced at the premium range segment, but still they use the 2 years, I think 3 years old Gorilla Glass 3 in this phone. That is only the drawback right now. So now let me try to play the same video in both the phones. So right now you can see here friends, I am playing the same video in both the phones and with the full brightness mode enabled as well. And the Realme X display looks pretty good because of having the full screen experience in this smartphone. So whereas the Samsung Galaxy M51 has this kind of punch hole on the top, as you can see friends. So if you compare side by side, I can notice only little bit amount, so there is only a little bit more saturated on the Samsung side, but that is not the significant amount of difference which I expected. But overall the Realme X display, even though the phone is a 1-year-old mobile phone, still the display of this phone looks pretty good, the Realme X phone. So even my channel has so many subscribers of the Realme X smartphone, and you don't need to regret of buying this phone because of the display. So display is very amazing. This is the only factor which is very good in the Realme X smartphone display. As you can see friends, the viewing angles and everything both looks pretty good to each other, so there is nothing much difference. So now let me try to little bit turn off the studio lighting effects slightly, so you might be able to see the difference in terms of the sky color. So slightly saturated on this Samsung side, so not on the Realme X side. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. As I said, slightly saturated, you can see the sky as well, and you can see some brightness level going on because of these plants you can see here, but not on the Realme X display. You can see clearly friends. So there are advantages like brightness and the more saturated in the Samsung's display. That is what I did notice. So let me try to put the brightness to 5. Let me try to decrease to the 0 brightness level. And 0 brightness level, the Realme X is doing very good job, because this is what I like friends in the Realme X, the low brightness mode, so which will be very much useful if you are traveling at night time and if you want to watch the movies at the night time without disturbing any other side passenger. So this is the best advantage the Realme X phone has. But overall friends, definitely the Samsung has advantages like big display and better brightness and slightly saturated colors. So these are the 3 advantages of the Samsung phone. And the Realme X has display of full screen experience. That is the only one advantage I did find in the Realme X smartphone. but both phones, they are having the same kind of refresh rate. There is no higher refresh rate in the Samsung Galaxy M51, unfortunately. So overall, this is a quick comparison between the displays of both the smartphones, and for more latest videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.